I think Voiceover Kickstart is a wonderful place to learn the craft of voiceover. There are many things I like from being a member of it. The community, the very supportive community where you can share and compare your progress, your audio quality, participate in weekly exercises to keep practicing, to change perspective, to tune and compare audio qualities. The advice direct from Guy Michaels and from other colleagues from the forums, the library, a very extensive library with plenty of scripts divided in different genres, very handy to pick up and practice. Plenty of videos and interviews with different professionals explaining their subjects, very, very useful. But I think what I like the most of this site, Voiceover Kickstart, is the feeling that it is designed to make my learning easier. I definitely think so, and I love it. It's a wonderful site.
Hi, my name is Debbie, and I've been a member of the Voiceover Kickstart community for the last year. The rehearsal rooms are really good fun and really good practice, and the community is really helpful and welcoming.
Voiceover Kickstart is a safe and supportive online community for voiceover artists, whether you're up and coming or well established, and the Supercharge content is superb.
Well, for me, the best thing is the community that's grown here, the support, the guidance, the advice that we all share, whether it's to do with the technical side or the business side. It's a trusted and respected environment, and I don't think you can beat that.
Voiceover Kickstart has been a great place for me to learn and develop the skills and confidence I've needed for my voiceover career. Guy Michaels runs some great interactive workshops full of practical solutions and tips, and there's a really strong sense of community amongst the members too.
Build the plane while it's flying. Try something, test it out. Just do it. That's what I love. It's the attitude.
The Voiceover Kickstart content covers all my needs, from technical studio queries through to specific marketing advice. The Supercharge weeks are amazing. They offer tailored advice, accountability check-ins, and they're helping me to achieve my goals in a structured way.
Guy Michaels will guide you through this intricate and exciting world. And the best thing is you get to speak to other people on that same voiceover path.
I'm here to say how much I like being a part of the Voiceover Kickstart community because of frank, honest, well-informed advice, practical tips, and an encouraging and supportive group.
Hi there. If you want good, honest, sound advice, literally sound advice, go to Guy Michaels. I've worked with him for years, and he's helped me and coached me. Him, the forum, Voiceover Kickstart, the sessions, amazing. Now, where did I put that microphone?
I really enjoyed the Voiceover Kickstart Supercharge weeks and the live sessions, the critical listening, rehearsal room, directed sessions. I always come away from them knowing how to take my voiceover career to the next level.
Voiceover Kickstart is a really good value interactive platform that gives you the training and the discipline and the tech knowledge to make your voiceover business thrive. And I really like the live interactive role-playing sessions.
Voiceover Kickstart is a treasure trove of recorded webinars, also Supercharge weeks every quarter going into voice work topics in more detail, live feedback sessions, and perhaps most importantly, it's a really friendly and helpful community. It's really highly recommended.